In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate in Photopea. To get started, first import your background and the main subject that you want to animate into your Photopea project. Once both elements are added, the next step is to rename the layer of the main subject you want to animate. In my case, this is a Mario character, but the same steps apply to any subject. On the right side of your screen, in the Layers panel, click on the name of your main subject layer. At the very beginning of the layer name, type _A_. This naming method tells Photopea that this specific layer will be used as part of an animation sequence. After renaming the layer, move your subject to the starting position of the animation on your canvas. Once the starting position is set, begin creating the animation by duplicating the main subject layer. You can do this by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Duplicate Layer, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and J. After creating the first duplicate, slightly move it forward in the direction you want the animation to go. Continue duplicating the layer using Ctrl and J, and each time move the new copy a little further along the animation path. As you keep duplicating and repositioning the subject, you will see all the animation frames stacking up as separate layers in the Layers panel. In my example, I created 21 layers, but you can create more or fewer depending on how smooth you want the animation to look. Once your animation sequence is ready, go to the File option at the top left corner of your screen. Hover over Export As, and from the side menu select GIF. A preview window will open where you can see your animation playing in real time. Make sure the quality is set to 100%, then adjust the speed slider to make the animation slower or faster based on your preference. From the same panel, you can also enable reverse frames to make the animation play backward, or enable boomerang mode so the animation plays forward and then reverses automatically. If you do not want the animation to loop forever, you can also set a specific number of times the animation should repeat. Once everything looks good, click on Save, and your animated GIF will be exported successfully. And this is how you can animate in Photopea.